forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey people, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. So today we are going to be showing you around a brand new housing development located just outside of Ocho Rios. This development is called Marina Village and it forms part of the Drax Hall Estate developments. So there are 4 developments within Drax Hall Estate. The older developments, Drax Hall Country Club, Drax Hall Manor, the newer ones, Drax Hall Polo Villas, and the one that we're going to be showing you today, Drax Hall Marine Village, or the Marina Village. So guys, as you can see, this is the drive into the Marina Villas. And there you can see just a layout of what the Marina Villas looks like. So as we drive in, to the left, you can see part of the actual development itself. So this is the back of some of the units, as you can see there. Like many of the new developments now, it is open plan, so living, dining and kitchen in one. And to the right of the entrance as you step in is the living area. And you can see they're really modern living area. These units do come with fan and AC. So you can see there's an AC unit there and a fan to the right hand side where the living area is. You can see it's furnished really nicely with the model unit. And there you go guys, there is the fan and the AC unit in the living area. Okay, to the left of the entrance as you come in is the dining and the kitchen area, and you can see there's ample space there for a dining table. Here it accommodates a six chair dining table. Again, on this side there is also a fan and an AC unit, so it's really good that on both sides, the dining area and the living area, is both a fan and an AC unit. And as you can see there, really nice big kitchen with whitewashed kitchen units and ample space for a big double fridge and all of the appliances that you need. Guys, these units do not come with any fitted appliances, so what you see here is just the show home. There you have a door leading out onto your car porch area from the kitchen and dining area. Can you see Mr. Outlaw there again? Everywhere I turn, he's there. Okay, so guys, the first bedroom to the left of the property that we're going into now is the master bedroom. And again, these come equipped, as you can see, with fan and AC. These rooms are really good size. This is a king bed in this room, just to give you an idea of how big these rooms are. Guys, one of the best features of this room is the walk-in closet. Guys, it's huge, and I'm not sure that the video does it justice. I'm not sure you can see really how big it is, but it is a really big walk-in closet. So ladies, you'll have ample space for all your things. Men, I'm not sure what you're going to do with your things, because by the time the ladies, you know how we ladies like to do, fill up the closet with the, with our clothes. You can find somewhere else. Okay, so just have a little spin around there. And then we have my favorite part of the room. So can you see this wall here is a glass wall that divides the bathroom from the bedroom. So the master bedroom comes with an ensuite bathroom. And as you can see, it has a standalone bathtub. Standalone bathtub and a standalone shower, a separate shower unit. Now again, not many units have a separate bath and separate shower. Usually you find the shower over the bath, but these are separate, and that's something that I really love about these units. Really big shower head there, as you can see. Really modern fixtures and fittings as well in these units, which is really nice. Okay, so you have the double wash basins, his and hers. And that's the master bedroom. So our first impressions were really good. Okay, so on the right hand side of the property, you have 2 bedrooms and a shared bathroom. So this is the second bedroom, and it looks like a queen size bed in this room. So another good space. Again, you have your fan and your AC units in this room that come with these properties. And a good space. And you have a built-in closet. Again, not as big as the master bedroom, but the closet space is good. And what I like about these, if you see above the closet, is extra storage. Extra storage. So that's a plus point as well. Okay, further down the hallway, you have the bathroom in between both bedrooms. So the shared bathroom for the 2 bedrooms on the right-hand side of the property. And again, really modern bathroom. Here you have a single face basin instead of the double like you had in the master, but drawers and vanity unit, really modern, really nice. Again, you have a really nice big shower. This time shower is over the bath, but again, a really nice big shower. Really modern fixtures and fittings. And the third bedroom, which again is a really good size. This third bedroom has been dressed as a twin bedroom. So there are 2 twin beds in this room, and fan, AC as like the other rooms, and a good sized closet also. Okay, in this area we have the wash area. You can see washer dryer and great space for storage as well. Okay, and guys, this is the back of the property where you can see beautiful views there. How nice is that? Guys, this is the best part of the property. So anybody who lives here gets access to a private beach. So this beach is exclusively for homeowners and residents. So look at Mr. Outlaw there, looking like he's, man a yard. Babes, can you buy me one of these?
Why not? All of it.
Guys, look at this. This is the private beach. So like I said, this beach is for the residents and homeowners only of the Marina Villas. Guys, just look at that. Can you just imagine waking up every morning and having this literally on your doorstep? Beautiful beach. And I asked the security guard if this beach is full, like if the residents use it regularly. And he said during the weekdays, no, but on the weekends, the residents do use it. So it's just breathtaking. And guys, can you see that sign? Clearly says, this beach is only for Marina Villas, homeowners and residents. How nice is this? And to the left there is a bar area. You can come and have, do barbecues, come and have a drink, chill out with your family. And the beach is quite big. It stretches all the way down to the bottom. This little pathway here is where people who are vacationing or staycationing can access the beach. And there are some condos, guys, further up, which we're going to show you. So if you want to have a vacation or a staycation, there is a resort area, the condo village, where you can rent an apartment and come and enjoy the facilities here. So guys, as you turn left out of the development, you come to the apartments. So approaching on the left here, you may be able to see just a little white fence. This is the entrance to the beach that people who are vacationing or staycationing would take to access the beach. So they have a separate entrance to the beach there, just on the left there. And guys, if you look to the right hand side, you can see the resort or the apartments. And this is called the Marina Village Condo Resorts. So if you're interested in a vacation or a staycation, you can come here and stay and enjoy all the facilities. Another great thing about this development is that it has its own on-site restaurant, okay? So if you don't feel like cooking, you don't have to. You can just come along, take a short walk to their on-site restaurant. And the restaurant is open to outsiders as well, not just for residents or homeowners. You can make reservations to come and dine at the restaurant too. So this is the Bettino at the Marina Village restaurant here. This is also the area where you check in. So the reception and lobby area for people who are staying in the apartments. And there is the restaurant, guys. One thing that I really love about this development as well is that you can see the sea from all parts of the development, whether you're staying on the apartment side, whether you are a homeowner and you are staying on the side where the house is, you can see the sea everywhere. Look at that, guys, view of the sea. So this is in the car park of the restaurant. And while we were there, we saw the waves crashing against the rocks. How amazing. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.